Thank you for joining me once again today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training, the Ausbildung that is being done in Germany. This is still on the Beruf in the Fahrzeugmechatroniker, and the first to the fourth career area of specialization has been introduced. In the previous videos, I'll be discussing the fifth career path, and the fifth career path has 5 areas of specialization. That means if you go into this career path, you can specialize in 5 different areas. The fifth career path is a Kraftfahrzeugmechatroniker, and the first area of specialization is the SCHWERPUNKT KAROSSERIETECHNIK focus on car body technology. This is 3.5 years, and it's also a anerkannte Ausbildung Beruf. That is, it's a recognized training occupation. It is state recognized. What is the job description? They use optical measuring methods and determine, for example, how much the frame of a vehicle is wrapped after an accident, or determine the depth of the dent after vehicle damage. They bring the wrapped frames into shape using straightening machines. If a repair is no longer worthwhile, then the body parts will be repaired by vehicle mechatronics technician. They are into painting damage, polishing, preservation paint surfaces, and they use repair procedures. Where do they find employment? They find employment in repair shops and body shops. That is what they do of cars. Car suppliers, manufacturers of cars, they find employment in their repair shops and body shops. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate as well. You need any of these certificates I'll be discussing. That is the Abschluss, or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, Fachhochschulreife, or Mittelbildungsabschluss. That is your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, technical college qualification, or intermediate education qualification. You can as well go into this without a certificate as well. That is your school certificate. Do you need further information? Feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. Only you can stop you. The second area of specialization under Kraftfahrzeugmechatroniker, is the SCHWERPUNKT Motorradtechnik, that is focused on motorcycle technology. The duration for this is 3.5 years as well, and the training is an anerkannte Ausbildung Beruf. It is a recognized training occupation. What do? They focus on motorcycle technology, produce, maintain, and repair motorcycles of various types and motorbikes. They also check the technical system, such as drive, lightning, chassis, or braking system. They also identify errors and malfunctions and eliminate their causes. So they repair defective and replace defective parts as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in repair shops for manufacturers and suppliers of motorcycles or spare parts dealers with an attached repair workshop. Do you need a certificate? Yes, if you have a certificate, you can go into this, and if you don't have as well, you can as well go into, if you don't have any certificate, you can as well go into this career path. If you have your Abschluss, or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, your Fachhochschulreife, Mittelbildungsabschluss, that is your secondary school diploma, your university qualification, technical college qualification, intermediate education qualification, you can go into this career path. Don't forget the Kraftfahrzeugmechatroniker has 5 areas of specialization, and in this video I've discussed the first and the second. So the third to the fifth will be discussed in other videos to come. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Don't give up on your careers, and don't forget, only you can stop you.